Okay, Dave, we have had quite a few questions from customers about automated emails, so I think that that's something that we should dive into.
Fine.
Oh boy. Hank from Poughkeepsie wants to know, how can I keep my audience engaged once they sign up to receive my emails?
Okay, great question, Hank. So one of the things to keep in mind is that when somebody new joins your email list, it's actually in this period of time where they're highly engaged with your business. And so you want to do what you can to take advantage of that time. So one of the things we recommend is setting up a simple automated email series, a welcome series. And that consists of 2 emails. Jenna, do you want to tell them about the first email?
Sure, absolutely. So the first email should fire out right away after they join your list. And this email should include 3 different things. Welcome them to your business, and then set expectations on how frequently you'll be communicating with them. And then lastly, you'll want to offer or give them whatever it is that you offered to them for exchange of their email address.
Right. Now, the second email is what we call an invitation to connect, and that can go out a few days after the first. And really the purpose of this email is to show them the other ways that they can connect with you on social, so you have a way to stay top of mind with them outside of the inbox. And also, you can provide the information on how they can contact you if they have any questions or need to reach out to you.
Yeah, absolutely. So with this simple welcome series, it's a great way to start building relationships with your audience and get some more exposure for your business as well. And Hank, we hope that these suggestions help you.